Hi everyone, my name is Star and welcome to my channel, All Modern Mommy. Today I'm going to help you put a pop-up onto your website. The pop-up that we're working with today is called Hustle. Hustle plugin is a pop-up that is compatible with WordPress. This pop-up I love because it is very, very easy. It is so easy as 1, 2, 3. I am telling you, I have tried so many different plugins, and this one you cannot go wrong with. Another reason why I love this plugin is because it has no page view limits. A lot of plugins that you will possibly come across, they will tell you if you go up to 5,000 page views, after that, you're going to have to pay for it. So if you have 5,000 viewers on your page, after that, you're going to have to go ahead and pay for it. And sometimes after that, you're going to have to pay about $20 per month. Sometimes you will come across a great deal and you'll probably have to pay about $2.50, maybe $5 a month. But still, free is better. But this one is completely free. It is not free for a certain trial period. I mean, it is free, period. Completely free. So let's go ahead to a con. The only thing that I do not like about this plugin, and I mean, it's not a completely big turnoff, but what I don't like is when I do install the plugin, it can be a little bit confusing, especially to people that are starting out and they really don't like doing things on the back end for building their website. It can confuse them. So when I like installing my plugins, I like for the plugin to take me directly to the screen where I can go ahead and I can set up my plugin. The only thing about Hustle plugin pop-up, it does not do that. I have to go ahead and I have to look for it on this side. Okay. Excuse me. When I first started out, that's something that used to confuse me. When I used to go ahead and install my plugins and stuff, I used to be so confused about, okay, I just installed this plugin. Where in the heck is the plugin at? But it took me months to find out sometimes that the plugins would hide somewhere along the sides of here. Sometimes they, you have to hover over certain categories over here and then they'll be over here. But Hustle is going to be right over here. So yeah, that's the answer to that. That's the only thing I don't like. But now that I figured it out, and now that you figured it out, now we have no cons. Okay, so once you go to Hustle, you can go to your dashboard. Your dashboard is where everything will be at. I already have one active pop-up. Excuse me. So that's what it tells me about my pop-up. I don't want to get into too much of it, except for just creating it. But it does have where you can embed certain plugins, pop-ups to certain parts of your pages. Like if you want to do it at the top of your page or the middle or the bottom, that's what the embedding is for. Sliding in, like how the animation goes. But let's just go ahead and create a pop-up. So we're going to go and create. They want you to go ahead and name it. So I'm going to say meal plan. say if I want to go ahead and say a meal plan. So email opt-in, that's if you want to go ahead and you want to have someone to put in their email address. If you don't want them to put in an email address and you want them just to press a button, something like this, then that's what they would do. But more than likely, you're going to want them to fill out their information, right? So let's go ahead and do that together. So email opt-in. Ooh, look at all of these. So let's do the Halloween one. Because when I'm making this video, Halloween just passed. It's November the 2nd now. So Halloween just passed. So let's do the Halloween one. They're not saying for you to put up a Halloween one, but I'm just saying I'm still in the Halloween mode. Okay. So this would be your title, subtitle, images. You can upload an image here. So there's a lot of different things that you can go ahead and you can play around with here. Call to action. So you can put a button here and say, get it now. And then you can put, like a link to that. I'll put my YouTube channel just to see what it does. Take that part out. Excuse me. Put it for a new tab to open in a new tab. You have an option to put never see this link again. If you want your visitors to put, they don't want to see this pop up again, they can do that. If you don't want them to put that, then you just click that off. Now we can go to the emails part of it. So what do you want? Choose which fields you want to insert into your opt-in form. So we want them to put their name and we want them to put their email. Insert those fields. Well, we already have email address, so thanks for signing up. Please check your email. We've just sent you your Halloween deal. So this is a success message. So after they put their information in, this is the message that would send to them as soon as they go ahead and click this send me deals link right here. Integrations. This is where people can get confused. So what they want you to do is connect to more or third-party apps via integrations page. So they're going to want you to go ahead and click this link right here, and it's going to go to an integrations page. I'm not going to leave the page, but they're going to want you to leave the page. And it's going to take you to like MailerLite or MailChimp or anything like that. And you're going to follow the prompts with that. Once you follow the prompts with that, you're going to come back to this page and then you're going to finish up. And it's fairly, like I said, 1, 2, 3. You're going to finish with appearance. And it's completely all of that, and you're going to be completely done. And like I said, I love all of this. We can go make this video longer, but you guys have the point. This is fairly simple, very, very easy behavior. How you want it to pop up, when you want it to pop up, if you want it to pop up immediately, if you want it to pop up in 5 seconds, 10 seconds, it can do all of that for you. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I will be happy to assist you. And please, subscribe to my channel below. I have some great videos that I'm going to be uploading. If you subscribe, if you give me a thumbs up, that will let me know that this video was very useful to you, and I will definitely upload more. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.